I'm Dr. Cath Watson, and today PD Insurance has asked me to talk to you about why dogs eat grass. I could make this really short and say, well, we don't really know. We can't ask them, but I'm not going to stop there. I'm going to talk to you about our educated guess as to why dogs eat grass, because the reality is we don't actually know. But there's a bunch of theories and there's a bunch of ideas that I think do make some sense, and there's going to be different reasons probably for each dog. So most dogs are going to eat some grass, but the majority of dogs that eat grass are not going to vomit. So they're probably not purging, but it could be that for some. And particularly if you've got a dog who seems to go and eat grass after specific types of food that they've potentially eaten or specific activities, and then they vomit afterwards, then it may well be that they're purging their system of that thing that's irritating them, in which case you need to pay attention and see what that is, and potentially avoid it in the future if you don't want them eating grass. For particularly young dogs, but any dog, it may actually be about exploring their environment. So grass obviously has a different texture and potentially a different taste, not that I've personally tried it, that actually they find quite attractive. The one thing we're not very sensitive to is scent, and it may well be that some dogs are eating grass because there's a particular scent on it that they like or want to get rid of. Same reason some dogs will like to roll around on the grass. It may well be because there's some scent on that grass that they want to cover themselves in. It may be actually that they just like the taste or the texture of that grass. It may even be a habit. In some cases it may improve digestion because grass is obviously fibre. However, it's not digestible fibre as far as a dog's concerned. They can't get any nutrition out of it. You generally need to be a hindgut fermenter like a horse or a rabbit, or potentially have a rumen like sheep and cattle to be able to digest grass. So the only real concern we have about dogs eating grass is that if there are other signs of illness. So if your dog doesn't normally eat grass and suddenly starts eating huge volumes, or maybe only occasionally has a nibble at grass and suddenly is mowing your lawn for you, or there's other signs of illness like their appetite has changed, it's decreased, or they're going after particular types of food, maybe they're drooling a lot, maybe there's some vomiting or diarrhea or weight loss, then I'd be much more concerned that eating grass is of concern, and you need to seek veterinary attention for that. But for the vast majority of dogs that are eating grass, then it's of no real concern. We don't entirely know why they do it, but it doesn't seem to cause any harm.